Hey guys, so today I'm gonna walk you through what baby girl Luna eats in a day. Luna is 10 months old and is currently eating more and more food. Sometimes she gets purees and sometimes she gets regular solids chopped up into bite sized pieces or otherwise known as baby led weaning. But this morning we're starting off with some good old Gerber pre made baby oatmeal. I think this was banana apple oatmeal. As you can see, she loves oatmeal. All right, next Luna's gonna have a banana. I'm just breaking it apart into small bite sized pieces so that she can pick them up and handle them with her tiny little hands. All right, and baby girl is still nursing, so right now she's just having her milk. All right, up next is lunch, and she's gonna have butternut squash and broccoli. And I do try to keep things quick and easy for her, one for my convenience and also so that she can just eat quickly. I do have like a lot of bagged vegetables that you could just warm up in the microwave. And so that broccoli is a part of a bigger bag that's microwavable. And I just heat it up and chop it up, save some for her, and the same with the squash. I just heat it up in the microwave, although of course you can use the stove or roast them in the oven, but for me a lot of the times the microwave is just quick and easy, and then I just save the rest for other meals. Then when she's done eating, she does also have a bottle to go with her lunch. Now it's time for Luna's afternoon snack. This is a Plum Organics fruit pouch. Peach banana apple is one of her favorites. Luna also has a bottle after her afternoon snack. All right, now it's time for dinner. It's going to be some tricolor pasta, mandarin oranges, and some of that leftover broccoli. All right, so she was still hungry after dinner, so we're gonna give her some of these Gerber fruit and veggie yogurt bites. All right, and then Luna nurses 2 more times before bed and then once in the middle of the night.